Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you how to clean out your dirty, gross cabin air filter, and it's right here behind the glove box. So the cabin air filter is actually in here, and it's really easy to access. Right, so this is a weird design. You have to open the glove box and take these two guys out. So you actually pry this side up, pry it up, push in on, so pry this out, push in here, and then kind of rotate it out. It's difficult to do. I'll try to show you here. So I just find it's easier to pry it with the screwdriver a little bit. See how that kind of opens up. So you're going to push it forward a little bit and rotate it. And it's easier to do if you push the glove box up a little bit. There we go. This part here is the cover, the cabin air filter. Okay, so these tabs, you squeeze the tab, squeeze the tab. All right, so this tab here, just squeeze it, then pull the whole thing out. Now, the filter is inside, and you just want to slide that out, okay? You see all the dirt on it. Leaves and all the crap that are in there. We want to try to make sure that the leaves don't get stuck in there. So your filter says airflow down. Okay, so it comes from the top of the dash in and goes down into that fan that's right underneath it. So what we're going to do is we are going to slide this back in like so. Okay, and put the cover back on. So once again, the cover, oops, so let's see here, the cover you just push back into place. Okay, it just snaps in place, right? That's it, done. See how dirty that is? This is the cabin air filter. This is the air that comes into your car. So the other side is pretty, obviously nothing got through, but it's dirty, dirty, dirty. Filter's done. We gotta put these back. These are the same for both sides. So we're gonna put this in, and we want to stick this in through the hole, and like this, gets stuck in through the hole. So I'll put it in on an angle like this, push it all the way in, rotate it. That's not so hard. So take it like this, put it all the way in, stick the whole tab in, like move it up a bit, and then rotate it, and then there you go, all locked back up. Nice. All right, so it's really easy to do this. It'll save you a bit of money. You could do this yourself. Anybody can do this. And there is a little trick to getting the stay clips out. But once you accomplish that, then it's very straightforward, very easy to do. And it'll save you $20 or something, maybe more. Anyway, thanks for watching.